Hello friends, we are Human Hacking, a team dedicated to expanding your consciousness on the abilities of your mind, brain and body. Last time we opened the series on confidence. We discussed what confidence is. We thought that was not enough to understand what the series will be about and why confidence is so important. Let us start with a definition on confidence. Confidence is that end result emotion you have when you have an experience, either that experience be mental or real. The reason why a mental experience produces a feeling is because of the brain. It is found in science that the brain does not know the difference between real event and vivid imagination. Now you can have an experience of eating a pizza and your brain and body will have a response. But we also know how it feels when you imagine, or when you had one of those dreams that you saw yourself eating something and when you woke up you felt full, exactly like you ate that particular food. But we also know how it feels to do something we always felt not capable to do. Like fighting someone, or giving that first kiss, or achieving for the first time that goal. And then based on that successful experience we do it again and again, and this way we form confidence because we know that we can do something. We have that proof that we can do it, we have the feeling of being able to do it, and this gives us the motivation to go and do it, if we choose to do it. And at this moment, we have an expansion of our consciousness for what we are capable of doing, of what we are capable of being. We feel that we can do more, we feel that we can be more. We feel unstoppable. But, and this is a big but, we have these new feelings, these new states of mind and body, these new states of confidence, only after we have had an eye-opening experience in the reality outside of ourselves. We reach into our inner potential only after when something in our environment happens, or we physically experience that experience. So in my opinion, this is a limiting way to approach your way of thinking and feeling, your belief systems about yourself. It is very limiting. And you know what? I do not like it. That is why I am doing this course, to make you realize your potential of infinite feelings, thought patterns and personalities that are at your disposal. To practically utilize your capabilities in your consciously desirable way. And moreover to install them in such an easy and practically fashion with everlasting changes that you will say to yourself, how is this possible? Now to make few examples to be more understanding. We previously stated that your brain does not know the difference between the reality and vivid imagination. Now this is the key to your success. Let us do an exercise together. If you were to think of yourself as a confident person, and I want you to imagine yourself in a big size image, close to yourself and in colors that for you mean confidence. I want you to fill this big image of your version of you being confident in that color. Increase the brightness and feel that feeling of being confident. Now I want you to take that image, and I want you to dress that image on yourself. Be that image, don't see it in a distance, but take it closer to you and step into that image, fuse that image with your body, and as an aura. Let that color shine from your own body. Be filled with that color and feel the feeling of being confident. Now this is a way that is used variously in hypnosis to make people confident. This is just a technique of what I am about to show in this course. This is just a taste of what is about to come. In this series you will learn to teach yourself to be whoever you want, no matter what you believe about yourself that cannot be changed based on previous experiences or on what the environment suggests you to be. I am confident on my material because of one simple rule that I know very well how to control. That rule is, your personality is formed from beliefs. Beliefs are strong thoughts. Strong thoughts are made from repetition of proper thoughts. Those thoughts produce feelings, and we are motivated by what we feel. At the end we decide to believe to be whatever we feel, because those feelings are the most realistic thing for us, and that is why we choose to behave based on feelings. Now being confident is very important. I do not need to tell you that. Nobody wants to end up like a 40-year-old virgin or a big loser living on some basement with your family, or become a nobody because society suggests that that fits you better. My friends, it is time to shine bright for yourself, for your family, and for your own glory. Hope this video makes you have a sense of what we are about to endeavor, and why having control of our mental skills, which can be what we like, dislike, hate, get annoyed from, love, etc. is so important. In other words, you learn to think and feel for yourself and others the way you want to. And find that freedom that you have always searched for.